Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to share with you one of my newest pieces from the 21K collections. So this piece is actually an exchange that I just recently made on my Chanel purchase. So last week I did an unboxing on the Coco handle in the color brown. And I really like that colors. I love the bag. I love the size. It's just amazing bag. The thing is, it is not in a good shape, I'll say. It's look a little lopsided. It's really weird, and the more I look at it, the more I don't like it. So in the end, I told my SA about the bag, and she was really cool about it. So she told me to bring the bag in. She do not have the same colors available, but she have something else that I could exchange for. And there were two bags that I truly like, and I was thinking of getting, but I am coming home with one of the bag. And here I am today unboxing the new bag that I got from the 21K collections, and it is an exchange. So yes, oh my god, I can't believe that she have one of the Iridescent blue available for me to purchase, and I am so happy that I brought it up to her about the problem that I have with the brown colors one. And in the end, I was able to purchase, well, I'll say I was able to exchange for the bag that I am absolutely in love with. And this time, there is no problem with the bag. So I am super happy. So introduce you guys to Mrs. Icy Blue. So this time they came out with the Iridescent, and this is in the color blue. So it has so much of the pearl undertone to it. So most of the time when you look at the bag, it's not entirely blue. I could see that there are some of like purple, there are shade of greens and also blue in it. So this makes this bag so unique, and it is wonderful. It just looks so beautiful in person under the light inside of Chanel's, and also in the real light. Oh my god, it is absolutely beautiful. And I also love the ombre hardware. So down here is like a purpley, and it's go up to a rose gold color. Oh my god, everything about this bag is unique. The hardware on the other side is in silver, it's not gold. Also, the top handle is in the iridescent. So the inside of the bag is lined with leather. It's not from light fabric. I remember a while ago I used to have a Coco handle in this size small, and I think it was from the 2018 collections, but that one is made from Cavra black chevron leathers, but the inside of the bag is actually lined with fabric. But this one was lined with leather, the same color though. It's just a beautiful, beautiful blue. You see how the chrome effect? Oh my god, it's just beautiful. And so the reason I returned the brown bag is because of the flap. So the flap is very much of a lopsided. So it's going down at the diagonal. I mean, at first I didn't even notice yet, but eventually after I noticed it, and then it just becomes so obvious, especially in pictures. Oh my god, it just looks so out of shape. And one side is longer than the other side, so that's why it is in a diagonal instead of like the straight flap like this. So that's why it's bothered me so much that I have to return it. And this one, oh my god, it's just in absolutely perfect shape. I am so happy with this purchase right now. And I am so happy with Chanel for this color wise. It's just so different. It just makes the bag so unique. And oh my god, I could see myself carry this bag all year long. Even though the light colors does scare me a little bit. But at the same time, it's iridescent, so I don't think that's, if there's any stand or color transfer, I'll try my best not to get it color transfer at all, but I don't think it's gonna stand out as much as it will stand out on top of the purple or on top of the white color. So I think this chrome effect it helped a lot. So that's it for the video today. I am super happy that I was able to change the brown Coco handle for the blue iridescent color. First of all, the more I looking at the brown color, you know, the lopside, the diagonal of the flap, one corner is like longer than the other corner. It just made me super sad. I was not happy, and at some point it's annoying me. So I was super happy that I was able to exchange it for the iridescent blue, and this time the bag is in such a perfect condition. So you can comment down below and let me know if you would also do the same, if your Coco handle is, you know, have the same problem as I did. Will you exchange it, or you think you can still keep it? in my case, I have to exchange it because the more I look at it, the more I get annoyed by it because it's just so obvious. It's not like some small, you know, imperfection. It's a very big imperfection, and it's straight, you know, on the first look. When you look at it, you see right away that it is a lopsided handbag, and that bothered me a lot. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see you back on my next video. Mwah. Thank you and bye bye.